Basic English versus phrasal verbs. Take care. Look after.
Look after yourself.
Look after him.
Die. Pass away.
Passed away.
He passed away.
To start. Get on.
Get on. Get on it.
To quit. Give up.
Never give up.
Don't give up.
To cancel. Call off.
Call off the wedding.
Call it off.
To arrange. Set up.
He set it up.
To finish. Wrap up.
Wrap it up, wrap it up, wrap it up.
Wrap it up.
You want it wrapped up.
To continue. Carry on.
Carry on.
Carry on.
Return to place. Go back.
Go back.
To postpone. Push back.
Push him back. Push him way, way back.
Push back.